Good morning, students. Welcome in online English class. I hope all of you have done yesterday's homework, story writing. Many students sent confirmation message and shared picture of their homework on ERP. Well done. Keep it up. Now, today we are going to start Beehive book's first lesson, The Fun They Had. Students, tell me one thing. All of you enjoy your online classes or not? All of you enjoy it? Or you miss school, friends, books, outdoor games, teachers? You miss it or you enjoy it? Because today's chapter is somehow similar to your present condition. Today's chapter name is The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov. It is science fiction. It tells the story of two young children named Tommy and Margie, who live in the year 2157, where children get education through computer at their home. One day they found a printed book and learned something about the school that existed hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It is a matter of great surprise for them because they are living in the age of moving e-text. So they did not aware about the printed book. In the first page, students, through the picture, you can understand it. On the first page, the author asked two questions. Discuss three things that you like best about your school and three things about your school that you would like to change. Write them down. Yes, so students, write three things in your notebook which you like best and three things which you like to change. Would you like to change? Now the second question, have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? Have you ever read, students? Nowadays you are reading. Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Would you like such books better? Yes, students, if you like or not. Now you can give this answer very well because now you are facing the same situation. So let's start the summary of this story. Margie is the main character, is the main protagonist of the story. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes a diary on the night of 17 May 2157. Right now we are living in 2020. As told earlier, the story is set in the future and it is set in the year 2157. So almost 1.5 century, that is 140 years from now. At that time, Margie writes an entry in her diary and she writes that Tommy found a real book. And she is feeling so strange because in her times, real books do not exist. They only have e-books, the virtual books. So, books in the format of print on paper are extinct. And so, Margie is astonished to see a real book. Margie is reminded of her grandfather. He told her that his grandfather studied all the books. That were printed on paper means Margie's grandfather's grandfather studied on all the books. So this kind of a book is historical or ancient for them. Something which they cannot believe, they can't imagine. Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means with many folds or lines. They had been crushed as it was very old. The children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. Now, what does it mean by that words that stood still? As the words were printed on the pages, they did not move. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online, e-books. So, in the e-books, how it happens, students? The text keeps on moving as your screen moves. But it was different in the books printed on paper. This was a very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in an e-book, you get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in an e-book, the text keeps on changing on the screen. The screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So, whenever you go back, the text is different. Now, students, we will continue this story tomorrow. How the Tommy and Margie read that book, we will read in the next class. All of you read the summary, read the story carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.